subscribe, please. Hope you're doing well. It's so good. Good. Thank you so much for starting here, guys. And for those who are new, welcome, guys. So today, guys, we are going to make chapati. We are going to make chapati, a very soft chapati. So welcome. Make sure you subscribe, comment, share, and like with your friends, guys. This is morning, it is 7 a.m. guys. I'm from my work, so about my face, please don't judge me, guys. This is a wheat flour, 500 grams. I'm having my egg. This is one egg. If you don't have eggs, it is not even. It is not. If you don't want to add egg, it is okay with it. But me today, I want to add egg, but it is not a must to add eggs. So this is our flour, this is our egg, this is our cooking oil. Yeah, here I have another flour. It is the same flour, but I have to take it this to another bowl. This is for rolling. Yeah, here I'm having, this is a salt. Yeah, this is a salt, and this is a rolling pin. If you don't have a place like here which is clean, you can use just the rolling board or rolling table. I will show you. Now let's go, and today we are going to use hot water. So here I'm going to switch on my gas so that for our water to be hot, and this is it is like a match for the gas. Yeah, and this is our water here, and I'm going to switching on them. You see this? I'm placing it here. You see? So let us wait for our water to be hot. So guys, let us wait for our water to be hot. Yeah, that is my utensils. That way, guys, that is my sink. Yeah, my kitchen, it is like that. Okay, this is the window to the sitting room. Yeah. So let us wait for our water to be hot. You guys, make sure you comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Let us go to 500. Let us go to 500, guys. Let us go to increase our family. Let us grow our family to 500, guys. Make sure you do that for me. Let me. My hands are clean, so I'm just wait. Yeah, I think this heat or the temperature of the water is enough for me to make my chapati. Yes. So let me add I'm adding salt. I'm not adding it all because I want this my size, guys. Then after here, I have to add the egg. And this is the egg which I have added. I'm adding some food oil. Yeah, that's more of that. Now in the time of kneading, I've already added some of the water. Then I'll be adding slowly by slowly, portion by portion. You add your water, yeah, and you knead like that. I'm adding another water, the hot water which we prepared, and that is what I'm doing. You have to knead slowly till it will become soft. Yeah, let us go. You have to have some strength for sure. You see, you have to knead like that. Okay, after our dough to be soft like that, now is the time for us. We are starting adding some oil, yeah, for the dough to be very soft and to be attached from our bowl, yeah, like that. And still kneading your dough. Yeah, we continue kneading. Then after that, we have to rub our place to remove all unwanted that flour. Yeah, I'm rubbing. I'll make it clean, and I'm starting spreading oil so that we can take our dough to the place and start kneading like that. The aim of doing this for our dough to be more soft. I see like the bowl is small, so I have to take it from the bowl to the place like that. Then I'll continue adding some oil till our dough to be so soft and ready for us to start making our chapati. Yeah, like that. I'm still adding. You have to knead till to see the place is clean. During mixing like this or during kneading like this, I'm kneading till the place to Then after that, we see this is our dough, very soft like that. Then we still knead. We're still kneading to make sure our hands are clean like that. We are still applying oil like that. After that, that is the last step we are doing. We are kneading. Almost we are getting there, guys. And after that, I have to take my knife. I'm doing like this, taking my knife, starting cutting portion and round them. Yeah, I'm rounding the dough which I've cutted. Then after that, I'm applying oil to my bowl and placing. Yeah, things like that. I'll be continuing till the end, and we're gonna see. Then after that, I have to roll like that. I'm rolling one of the dough which I've cut it into portion. I'm rolling like that. Then I'm making to round like that. Yeah, this we are doing for our chapati to be able to have layers. This is the work of layers. When you are doing this, your chapati will have good layers and it will be soft and so good. Yeah, be doing this till all the dough to be finished. Yeah, we're almost at the end. Okay, another process we are doing like this. You have to roll it. Your dough, one of the dough are rolling like that. You guys, this is the zilizochambuka. Yeah, rolling like that. Then after that, I'm taking my knife. I'm cutting, like finding an edge. Then spreading oil like that. Spreading oil to the top of the rolled dough. Then I'm folding like that, or I'm rolling like that. I'm doing like this. Then I'm putting it on I'm placing on my plate like that. Then I'm doing another one like that. Yes, make sure you subscribe, guys. Then you're doing like that. Our dough is so soft, so sometimes it attaches to the rolling pin and you have to apply some flour and cutting the edge, spreading the oil, yeah, like that. Then taking one edge of it, rolling like that. We'll be doing this till the end of our whole dough here. We'll be doing like that, guys. Make sure you share this video, guys. The best one. You have to know to make chapati, guys. Okay, this is our frying pan, guys. We are going to place it on our jiko. Yeah, okay, now guys, this is the end process. We are going to cook our chapati like that, guys. It is not a joke, but it is easy, guys. Make sure you try this, but sometimes it's getting worse. I don't know. For your cake to be soft, to be good, to be layered, you have to do this, guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh. What is this, guys? You have to make sure you add flour for rolling, guys. Then here we are ready to place our chapati on a frying pan. Yeah, I'm rolling for the last time, guys, and I'm going to show you when we are going to place it on the frying pan. And I'll be doing for each and every chapati, guys. Yeah, we have placed our chapati on our frying pan. Then we are waiting for it to dry like that, guys. We are waiting for it to dry. Then we turn it upside down and we start applying our oil, and our chapati will be cooked well, guys. Just wait for it. Yeah, you see the way it is drying. then after drying I have to turn it upside down, and now I'm applying my oil like that. Yeah, I'm applying the oil, guys. Guys, you see our chapati, the way it is turning so good. We just take his food up about my clothes, guys. Oh, so guys, that is the chapati, the very best layered chapati. You're gonna see the chapo, guys. Oh yes, then I'm placing on a plate, guys. You see, let us continue the other chapatis. Then I have to take my brush, clean brush with the water, and I'm cleaning my frying pan. Make sure you clean your frying pan for your chapati to be. Guys, you see our layered chapati, very soft, layered with the thing, guys. You see our chapati, very having layers and very soft, guys. You just